In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to create new folders for your Spotify playlist. Let's get started. First, launch your Spotify app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the Your Library page. This is where you're gonna find all the playlists that you have created. Now to create folder for your playlist, click on this plus option. Then select the option folder. Now give it a name. After you do that, click on create. Just with that, your folder has been created. Now if you want to create any new playlist, click on this plus option, select the option playlist, give it a name and then click on the option create. Now you are able to add songs to that playlist. Likewise, you can head back. Here you're gonna find all of your playlists. If you want to add any of the playlists to the folder that you have created, press and hold on it. Then select the option move to folder and select the folder that you have created. So this is how you can easily create new folders for your Spotify playlist. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.